This video is about basslines and how you can become the best bassline maker in the game. So I will show you a few simple bassline methods you can use in your next track. The method number one is to use the bottom note of your chords as the bassline. In this case I have made chords like this. So you can just copy these bottom notes of your chords. Then paste them to another instrument layer. Make sure you have chosen a bass instrument that fits the energy of your chords, like this one. Wow, those chords are actually much fuller now. The second method is a noted rhythm, and for this example I'm gonna use chords like this. Noted rhythm uses note lengths that always ends up to the beat. Like in this case, I'm gonna use 2 noted bass notes in the beat. This bassline method is great for breaks and when you build some tension in your track. The method number 3 is to use a dotted rhythm. For this example, I'm gonna use a chord progression like this. So in the previous example, the noted rhythm used 2 notes in one beat and landed exactly on the beat. But dotted rhythm uses 3 ticks out of a beat. So it goes like this. And the last note is a small one. So dotted rhythm sounds a little bit groovier than noted rhythm. So the method number 4 is to use a rolling bass. Rolling bassline, it's every tick inside one beat. And for these kind of basses, you usually use a very fast pluck bass like this. And these kind of basses sound even much better when you sidechain it with the kick. You can make this sound even more groovier by using triplet rolling bass. You can do it by changing from this magnet icon to triplet beats and then switching the size of one note to triplets. This kind of bassline is very common in psytrance. I've been in vacation for 2 weeks and I'm a little bit tired. You can maybe see in the vibe of the video. But thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and leave a comment and like the video. See you in the next vid.